Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving deep into 8 benefits of castor oil. Castor oil is a vegetable oil derived from the Ricinus communis plant, which is common in the eastern areas of the world. Castor oil has been used as a natural medicine since ancient times. The oil is still used worldwide in folk medicine to treat conditions such as wounds, eye diseases, and rheumatic diseases. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has only approved castor oil for use in the United States as a stimulant laxative. Research studies have found that castor oil contains therapeutic components including fatty acids, flavonoids, phenolic compounds, amino acids, terpenoids, and phytosterols. These various compounds give the oil the following properties and potential health benefits. Relieves constipation. Castor oil is most widely known for its laxative properties, making it a go-to tool for alleviating constipation. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil interacts with the receptors in your intestines to stimulate your bowel muscles to contract and move your poop through your colon. Although castor oil is considered very safe by the FDA for constipation relief, it should be noted that it isn't necessarily meant for long-term use as it can lead to stomach aches and bloating. Has moisturizing properties. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids that effectively soften the skin, which is why it's used in natural beauty products like skin moisturizers. The oil is also considered an occlusive moisturizer. This moisturizer prevents the evaporation of water from the skin and reduces water loss by forming a protective barrier. Castor oil is often applied topically to the skin to help moisturize and soothe dry or irritated skin. Castor oil also has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, so it may benefit people with inflammatory skin conditions. May promote wound healing. Castor oil may also be helpful in wound treatment when combined with other ingredients. The oil helps create a moist environment that promotes healing and prevents wound cracking. Castor oil is a main ingredient in Venelex, a topical dressing used to treat acute and chronic wounds and pressure ulcers. Venelex also contains Peru balsam, a balm derived from the myroxylon tree, and additives such as glycerol monostearate. According to Dr. Axe, lab studies have shown that castor oil is effective against many types of bacteria, including Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Out of all the staphylococcal bacteria, Staphylococcus aureus is considered the most dangerous and can cause mild to serious skin infections and other concerning staph infection symptoms. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil has also been shown to have pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties, which also makes it an effective wound treatment. However, it's important to note that castor oil is used in certain wound treatments, but it's not recommended for home use in treating wounds like cuts and burns. May treat certain eye conditions. Some evidence suggests that castor oil may be an effective treatment for certain eye conditions, such as blepharitis. Blepharitis causes your eyelids to become red, itchy, swollen, and irritated. Symptoms are often uncomfortable and can cause dandruff-like skin flakes to form on the eyelashes. A study published in 2021 found that castor oil can supplement deficient physiological tear film lipids. Participants were able to see a reduction in tear evaporation and improvements in blepharitis symptoms as a result. Enhances liver function and detoxification. As our body's main detox organ, if our liver isn't functioning like it should, it can lead to a cascade of chronic inflammation and a slew of other health problems. Instead of taking multiple supplements, topical castor oil can be a game changer for improving liver function and your overall health. A study published in the International Journal for Naturopathic Medicine found that after just 2 weeks of using castor oil packs, participants had improved immunity markers, liver enzymes, and cholesterol levels, even among those whose liver and cholesterol enzymes were elevated outside of normal range at the beginning of the study. However, more studies need to be done on its long-term effectiveness with consistent use, as these results weren't maintained when the castor oil packs were stopped. Stimulates hair growth. Research is continuing to grow in this area of castor oil's many benefits, with most of the studies focusing on castor oil as a complementary ingredient in hair growth serums. One study found that when infused with lotion and applied topically, castor oil was able to significantly boost 3 times the hair growth. Alleviates chronic pain. Ricinoleic acid, the main component of castor oil, has demonstrated powerful anti-inflammatory properties, both when consumed and applied topically. Studies have shown that castor oil can be just as effective at relieving pain in cases of knee osteoarthritis and chronic rheumatoid arthritis as medication, but without the negative side effects. May be helpful for cleaning and storing dentures. A number of bacteria and fungi, including candida fungi, commonly grow on dentures. This can create oral concerns if dentures aren't properly cleaned and stored. Candida species, like C. albicans, are especially problematic for people who wear dentures because they easily adhere to denture surfaces and mouth tissues. An overgrowth of Candida fungi can lead to a condition called denture stomatitis, an infection that leads to inflammation, redness, and irritation in the mouth. However, some research suggests that cleaning dentures with castor oil may help reduce the risk of developing denture stomatitis because castor oil can help kill bacteria and fungi. How to use castor oil? Castor oil is only recommended for oral use to treat constipation. It's best to take castor oil under the supervision of a healthcare provider, as it could cause side effects if misused. You can also use castor oil topically as a natural moisturizer by blending it with other oils, such as coconut and sweet almond oil. That wraps up our overview of the benefits and uses of castor oil. If you enjoyed this video, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications for more health and insightful content.